Step into a world of sophistication and elegance, where masterful chefs transform foie gras into culinary masterpieces. Served in the finest gourmet restaurants, foie gras is not just a dish, it is a symbol of artistry and class. Foie gras, with its rich, buttery flavor and velvety texture, offers an unforgettable experience. Each piece is delicately prepared, from gentle searing to preserve its natural taste, to the perfect pairing with fresh, tangy fruit sauces. Here, every dish is a journey of flavors, taking diners from timeless elegance to modern sophistication in every bite. Discover foie gras, the epitome of perfection and the pinnacle of French culinary art. Every journey starts with a single egg. At 37.5 degrees Celsius, eggs are carefully incubated for 28 to 30 days, mimicking natural conditions to ensure healthy development. When the eggs hatch, fragile goslings emerge, full of life. These tiny wonders are nurtured in a specialized care facility, where their journey to maturity begins. In their first weeks, goslings are fed a precise diet designed to boost immunity and growth. Every detail, from feed composition to daily routines, is carefully calibrated for their well-being. As they grow, the geese enjoy a carefully balanced environment. They roam freely in open fields, ensuring strong, healthy development. When seasons change, they move to state-of-the-art indoor facilities that provide optimal comfort. Advanced systems monitor feed, water, and air quality around the clock, creating the perfect conditions for the flock to thrive. When the geese are ready, the journey continues. They are transported to our factory in specialized trucks designed for comfort and safety. Each truck can carry up to 1,000 geese, ensuring efficient logistics without compromising quality. Here, tradition meets technology. Welcome to our state-of-the-art processing facility, where innovation drives every step of the production process. Upon arrival, the geese are moved into the processing area. The journey begins with automated defeathering machines, which can process each bird in just minutes, ensuring precision and efficiency. Each bird is then carefully inspected by both skilled professionals and cutting-edge technology. Our scanners ensure every piece meets rigorous quality standards, while trained hands add the human touch to maintain perfection. From here, the meat is transferred to high-speed conveyor belts for further refinement. Every step is streamlined, from portioning to packaging, ensuring freshness and hygiene. Our packaging line combines precision robotics and advanced sealing technology to lock in flavor and freshness. Each package is labeled and tracked, ensuring traceability from our factory to your table. Finally, the products are ready for distribution. From high-end restaurants to family kitchens, our Geese meat reaches customers across the globe, delivering the unmistakable taste of quality. Every bite tells a story of care, innovation, and passion. From our fields to your table, we strive to create unforgettable culinary experiences that stand the test of time.